वेलकम टू टेक्नोलॉजी पार्क ऑनलाइन क्लासेज। लास्ट क्लास में डिस्कस किया था हमने सर्किट एनालिसिस विद द हेल्प ऑफ किरचॉफ लॉ। फर्स्ट जो मेथड था हमारा लूप एनालिसिस मेथड या नोड लूप एनालिसिस मेथड और मैश एनालिसिस मेथड हम कंप्लीट कर चुके थे। आज की क्लास में डिस्कस करेंगे हम नोड एनालिसिस मेथड। नोड एनालिसिस मेथड is based on Kirchhoff current law. That means node analysis method में we use Kirchhoff current law या we use Kirchhoff first law. नोड एनालिसिस जो मेथड होता है वो किस पे बेस्ड होता है? Kirchhoff current law. And in this method we determine the value of electric voltage. That means we can also say in this method we calculate the value of electric potential या value of electric voltage with the help of Kirchhoff current law. In this method, we use admittance place of impedance. नोड एनालिसिस मेथड में impedance के प्लेस पर admittance का यूज करते हैं. That is clear. Now we can study node analysis method. Node analysis method is the based of Kirchhoff first law. एंड लास्ट क्लास में जो डिस्कस किया था हमने लूप एनालिसिस मेथड इज द बेस्ड ऑफ Kirchhoff voltage law and node analysis method is the base of Kirchhoff current law. In this method, loop analysis method, we use Kirchhoff voltage law and we calculate the value of electric current. Similarly, in this method, node analysis method is based on Kirchhoff current law and we calculate the value of electric voltage. Is that clear? Loop analysis method, we use impedance, but node analysis method, we use place of impedance is admittance. Is that clear? So now we study node analysis method. We know that Ohm's law E equal IR. Is that clear? But we know that Z equal R plus iota X. That means impedance is a combination of resistance and reactance. But in this circuit, if reactance is 0, then admittance is equal resistance. Is that clear? We know that if in this circuit is not connected to inductance and capacitance, that means the value of reactance is equal 0, then the value of resistance is equal impedance. Is that clear? So we can also write Ohm's law is equal V equal I Z. Is that clear? अभी हमने आपको डिस्कस किया, हमने बताया कि जो इम्पीडेंस होता है इज ए कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस एंड रिएक्टेंस. इफ रिएक्टेंस इज इक्वल 0, दैट मींस रेजिस्टेंस इज इक्वल इम्पीडेंस. सो वी कैन से Ohm's law V equal IZ. But we know that admittance is a inverse function of impedance. That means Y equal 1 upon Z. Yeah, we can also say Impedance is a inverse function of impedance. That means Z equal 1 upon Y. Is that clear? So V equal I, Z impedance is a inverse function of admittance. That means Z equal 1 upon Y. Is that clear? So we can written Ohm's law in form of impedance V equal I multiply 1 upon Y. That means I equal V Y. Is that clear? This is Ohm's law in terms admittance. Is that clear? Now we study node analysis method. Node analysis method is based on Kirchhoff current law, and in this method we calculate the value of electric voltage. In this method we use admittance in place of impedance, and now we discuss that Ohm's law I equal Vy in terms of admittance. That is clear. Now we study electric circuit. This network is designed admittance Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, Y5 जो नेटवर्क है एडमिटेंस Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4 से मिलकर बना हुआ है. इज दैट क्लियर? एंड द वेंट्री इज प्रेजेंट which electric voltage is equal E, and the potential electric voltage of point A is equal EA, and electric voltage of point B equal EB. Is that clear? Now we calculate the value of electric voltage with the help of node point. We know that node point is a point where two or more than two branch are connected. It's called node point or junction point. Is that clear? And we study Ohm's law in terms of admittance I equal Vy. तो डाले हम इक्वेशन नंबर ए. From equation A, I1 equal E minus EA Y1, because I equal Vy. V is the electric potential. We know that electric potential is point E and this point is EA. The potential difference is equal E minus EA, and admittance is equal Y1. Therefore, the value of I1 is equal E minus EA Y1. Question number first. Is that clear?